Ever wondered how to create thousands of short videos in just minutes? In the realm of content creation, time is of the essence and efficiency is king. But what if I told you that you could rule this realm with the power of artificial intelligence and automation? Yes, today we are diving into the exciting world of AI, where we'll explore how to generate a staggering amount of video content in a snap. So let's introduce the two AI powerhouses that will be our trusty sidekicks in this journey: ChatGPT and Canva. ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI, will be our go-to for generating engaging content. Canva, on the other hand, is our secret weapon for turning this content into eye-catching videos. Together, these tools will streamline our content creation process like never before. Stay tuned to discover the magic of AI and automation in video creation. This is going to be a game changer. First off, we need to visit the ChatGPT website. This is where the magic happens. ChatGPT is a language model by OpenAI, and it's a powerful tool that we can use to generate a ton of engaging content. Once you're on the website, you'll need to access the text generation interface. This is where we'll be setting up our prompt. Think of the prompt as a question or a statement that will guide ChatGPT in generating the facts we need. Now let's create a prompt that will give us 50 sets of facts. It's important to be clear and specific with your prompt. For instance, if we're creating content about, let's say, intriguing historical events, our prompt could be something like, generate 50 brief summaries of fascinating historical events, each split into 2 parts. The reason we're splitting our facts into 2 parts is to keep the content engaging and intriguing. The first part could present a question or a statement that piques curiosity, while the second part provides the answer or the explanation. Remember, the quality of the output depends largely on the quality of your prompt. Make sure it's well crafted and in line with the kind of content you want. It's also a good idea to keep refining your prompt until you're satisfied with the results. After setting up the prompt, you might be wondering, why 50 sets of facts? Well, the more facts we have, the more content we can generate. However, 50 is a good starting point as it strikes a balance between quantity and quality. You want enough facts to create varied content, but not so many that the quality of the facts starts to drop. So we've accessed ChatGPT, we've set up our prompt, and we're ready to start generating some content. It's as simple as hitting that generate button and letting ChatGPT do its thing. With our prompt ready, we can now generate some fascinating facts. And that, my friends, is how you set up ChatGPT to create engaging content for your videos. It's efficient, it's easy, and it's a game changer for content creation. Let's move on to the next step. Now let's generate some facts. With the prompt we've created, we're all set to begin our fun journey into the world of AI-generated knowledge nuggets. When using ChatGPT, keep in mind it's like having a conversation with a very knowledgeable friend. You ask a question or set a topic, and the AI delivers. So let's feed our prompt to ChatGPT and watch as it begins to churn out interesting facts, one after the other. As the facts come in, you might notice a bit of variety. That's the beauty of ChatGPT. It can take a single prompt and provide multiple, diverse responses. When it comes to the quantity of facts to generate, there's no hard and fast rule. However, for the best quality and variety, generating around 50 sets of facts split into 2 parts tends to work well. It gives us enough material to work with without overwhelming the AI, ensuring each fact is as engaging as the last. Great! Now we have a nice set of facts. Let's move on to Canva. Scene script. Time to switch gears and head over to Canva. Canva, a wonderland of design, is where we'll be creating our template for short videos. Just as a painter needs a canvas, we need a template. It's the backbone that holds our video together. Now let's get started. First, we'll create a design. Click on the Create a Design button on the top right, then select Custom Dimensions. A short video typically has dimensions of 1080 by 1920 pixels, perfect for mobile viewing. Once you've input these dimensions, click Create New Design. Next, we add a background video. Canva has a vast library of videos to choose from. Click Elements on the left, then Videos. You can search for a specific theme or browse through the categories. The choice is yours. Once you've found the perfect video, double-click to add it to your template. Now, it's time to add layers of text. We'll need 3. One for the title, one for the first part and one for the second part of our video. Click text on the left, then add a heading. You can adjust the size, font, and color to your liking. Repeat this process for all 3 text layers. The title text layer is crucial. It captures the viewer's attention and sets the tone for the rest of the video. Make it bold and engaging. The first part text layer should introduce the fact, while the second part completes it. Keep it concise and informative. Position each text layer strategically on your template. The title typically goes at the top, while the first and second parts are sequentially placed in the middle. This layout ensures that the viewer's eyes flow naturally from the title to the fact, creating a seamless viewing experience. And there you have it, a basic template for your short videos. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to add your personal touch and make it unique. After all, creativity knows no bounds. Now that we have our video template, let's customize it. Next, we'll customize our template. Now, the key with customization is making sure our template can handle text of varying lengths. To do this, we'll use Canva's flexible text boxes. Click on the text box and you'll see handles appear at the corners and edges. Drag these handles to adjust the size of the text box, making it larger or smaller based on your needs. But what about the timing of our text display? Well, Canva's got us covered there too. To adjust the timing, we'll head over to the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Here, each element of our video has its own bar. By dragging the ends of these bars, we can control when each piece of text appears and disappears. With a bit of tinkering, we can ensure our facts flow smoothly from one to the next, keeping our viewers engaged. Now our template is ready. Let's connect our facts. Now let's bring our facts to life. The magic begins with Canva's Bulk Create tool. This handy feature lets you combine your generated fact data with the text fields in your template, all at once. It's like putting together a puzzle, only easier. First, open the Bulk Create tool. You'll find it nestled under the More tab. Once there, upload your data file. This should be the file with all your generated facts from ChatGPT. Next, you're going to map your data. This is just a fancy way of saying you'll link the data to the corresponding text in the template. For each text element in your template, select the corresponding data field from your file. It's as simple as that. You've just connected your generated facts to your video template. It's like a bridge, linking your AI-generated content to your visually appealing video design. Our data is now connected. Let's generate some videos. Now, we're ready to generate our videos. Let's dive right in. With our data connected and our template customized, generating the videos is a breeze. All we need to do is hit the Generate Videos button on Canva. Canva's powerful AI will do the heavy lifting, creating each video based on the data and template we've provided. It's truly remarkable how swiftly and efficiently the process unfolds. Once the videos are generated, we get to preview them. It's always exciting to see the fruits of our labor, isn't it? If we're satisfied with the results, it's time to export. Exporting is as simple as selecting Export Videos on Canva. Choose the file type you prefer and Canva will package them into neat individual files, ready for upload on any social media platform. And voila, we now have a plethora of engaging short videos ready to be shared. So that's how you can create thousands of short videos in just minutes. We've walked through an amazing journey of harnessing the power of artificial intelligence and automation tools like ChatGPT and Canva to generate high-quality content with ease and efficiency. We've seen how we can create engaging prompts, generate fascinating facts, design captivating templates, and seamlessly connect data to form a beautiful ensemble of short videos. Isn't it incredible how technology is transforming the way we create and share content? It's like having a creative assistant who never tires. This is not just about saving time or effort, it's about exploring new possibilities, breaking boundaries, and reinventing creativity. So why not give it a whirl? You'll be amazed at how much you can achieve. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching.